Mahal, from the moment our path crossed, my life has been transformed into the most beautiful way. Today, as I stand before you and our loved ones, I promise to cherish the honor and love that blossom between us. I vow to be your confidant, your partner in crime, and your greatest supporter. I promise to stand by you in a time of joy and comfort you in a time of sorrow. Together, we will navigate the journey of our life hand in hand, facing whatever challenge may come our way. I promise to love you, to celebrate our triumphs, and to provide solace in your trials. I will respect you as an individual cherish and uniqueness that is you. With each past day, I will strive to understand you better and love you more deeply than the day before. I promise to create a home filled with laughter, compassion, and understanding. I will be your sanctuary. I place you where feel love and acceptance for you who you are. Together, we will build a life that is testament to our love and commitment. Angela Claudine, you are my best friend, my confidant, my greatest love. Today, I give you not only my love, but also my unwavering commitment. I look forward to growing old with you and creating a lifetime of cherished memories. As we embark on this journey together, I promise to be your partner, your equal, and your one true love. I am so grateful to have you by my side, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. Thank you. God.
Hi, mahal. Hindi ko alam paano ko sisimulan. Pero kagaya ng love story natin, hindi na natin namamalayan na ito na tayo ngayon. Reggie, mahal ko, I've loved you for almost 8 years now. Today, I become your wife, and I get privilege of loving you for all the rest of them. Binigay ka sa akin ni Lord para iparamdam sa akin na may karamay ako sa lahat ng problema na dumadating sa akin. Ikaw, ang unang tao nagparamdam sa akin kung gaano ako kaganda. Dahil ikaw lang ang nakakatagal sa toyo ko, sa pagsusungit ko. Mahal, marami man tayong pinagdaanan na hirap at pagtatalo. Hindi, hindi ka bumitaw at nagpatuloy ka sa paglaban para sa atin. Pinapangako ko sa iyo, mahal, na ako ang mag-aayos ng mga gamit mo. Maglalaban ng mga damit mo, maghahanda ng mga kailangan mo, at higit sa lahat, ako ang kakain ng niluto mo. I promise to be your best friend, a loving wife, at kasama kumain sa lahat ng cravings mo sa madaling araw. Ako ang magiging Google Map mo sa tuwing mahihirapan kang puntahan ang mga gusto mong puntahan. At ikaw naman ang magiging driver sa lahat ng mararating ko sa buhay kasama ka. A feared love. What if I'm too much? What if I'm not enough? Pero salamat, dahil posible pala ang pag-ibig na sigurado. I will gladly live in love, knowing that you will willingly catch me. Before, I feared love, but now, it calms me. It assures me. Pangako, kapag natakot ka, hayaan mong pag-ibig ko ang kumalma sa'yo. If darating man ang oras na lahat ay di sigurado, I'll remember that our love, it's sure. It is enough for me, wins battles with you. And ngayon, sa araw na ito, I finally understand why Ben and Ben choose the line pipiliin ka araw-araw. Over, mamahalin kita sa araw-araw. Maybe because love is not guaranteed every day. The level, intensity, kilig, ang purity of love will never be the same every day. But despite of all this, I will still choose you. Reggie, mahal, simula ngayon at sa dulo ng aking buhay, paninindigan kita araw-araw.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang bagong kasal.